Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial with some Arduinos. Today we're going to control a LED with a push button. So for that you will need your Arduino board, breadboard, 4 wires, an LED, can be any color, a 220 ohm resistor, a push button with 4 pins, and a 10,000 ohm resistor. Okay, so as usual, we start with our ground. Now the ground, it's gonna be, I'm gonna use my black wire. So go to your power region, connect to ground, and ground's gonna go into the blue line as such. And then to power for the button, put the button pins anywhere that you want. I'm gonna put them here, and then the connection goes from the pin to the resistor to the ground. So the ground, remember, you want to, your ends need to match along the same row. So the pins need to be next to each other, like this. So now they're both. So I'm connecting that pin of the LED into the ground. Next is I'm gonna use the blue wire to connect my LED to my digital pin 13, because that's what I configured it to be. Like so. And then now the push button. So it has 4 pins. I like to put it in the middle, somewhere in the middle, like that. Just like that. So again, just be careful with the little legs. They seem a bit flimsy, but I don't know. The power would be, so you can add your power, your 5V pin, but that's using an extra wire, so I'll use just one. So I'll use the right pin to connect it to the 5V pin on the Arduino, which is on this side. 1, 2, ground, voltage, yep, 5 pin. Then I'm gonna use my, I'm gonna connect my ground to the button with the 10,000 ohm resistor. So along the line of the left pin, I'm gonna connect the 2 ends of my resistor. There it is, and then in between the resistor pin and the push button pin, I'm gonna connect my yellow wire, so that will carry out the information back to the Arduino. And then I'm gonna plug that into pin number 2. So these are all digital outputs, just like so. So I've got my LED, my button, the power, and the resistors. All the resistors do is they control the current going through the circuit, so we don't blow up stuff. And then again, plug in USB into the Arduino, and I've already loaded the code. You'll see the code in a few seconds. And then if you press the button, the light turns on and off based on the button. So this kind of thing is kind of handy if you want to control things with the button, whether it's opening a door or more complicated things. But the principle is the same. You want to control things based on the pushable button. So again, I'll leave the code with you, and so thanks for watching.